We're in San Martin, California at Cordevalle Golf Club, established in 1999. We just celebrated 26 years. Here in San Martin, Santa Clara County, we have all the seasons basically. We have hot summers, frost in the winter. We get rain typically from November to March. So we have that long stretch there where we're relying on irrigation and irrigation only to keep the grass going. You can have great golf weather year round. With our Pure Distinction greens, they can handle the heat out here, and being a busy golf course with lots of play. We want green speeds and we want healthy turf. So we did a greens restoration in 2019 in conjunction with Robert Trent Jones, sodded with Pure Distinction greens. We started in April of 2019 and we opened for the 4th of July that summer. It was kind of touted as the best out there at the time, and in my opinion it is, still is obviously, because I have nothing but good things to say about it. They hold up well to play, they're easy to ramp up green speeds. When we need to for special events, we try to maintain them between 11 and 12 year round and then ramp up for tournaments. Real easy to do. When you want them to grow, they'll grow. I've never had to interseed these greens with seed because, as long as you're air fine when the optimum weather for them, they heal great, they're nice. One of the biggest compliments you can get out of green is that it's pure, right? So Pure Distinction. And then using growth regulation, they're happy to say they're still very pure right now, 6 years in. And I would think that's the best way our members would describe it, is they feel like they're pure and overall just very happy with them. I would say that anyone's looking to use, Pure Distinction is going to be very happy. Their overall growth habit and how it responds when put to the test of traffic and drought and everything you do to make them fast for a tournament and whatnot, and the recovery is just superb, and we've been very happy with them, and I think they'd be too.